Pregnant mum Jacqueline Jossa has revealed her daughter Ella's toys spook her when they randomly turn on. The ex-EastEnders star took to Instagram to reveal her kids' playroom is full of toys and the noises they make freak her out, especially when she's alone at night time. "I hate it when things start randomly making noises on their own. I get super scared," she said. She went on, "There's one in Ella's toy room and when I'm lying in bed, it's not funny, it's really spooky like in the horror films. Ella's having a pajama day today. She even let me have a bath, didn't you?" Jacqueline and her husband Dan Osborne are reportedly close to getting back together after successful crisis talks following their shock split. The celebrity couple were reported to be taking a break from their marriage, but they were spotted enjoying a picnic date together in a park earlier this month. Former The Only Way Is Air's star Dan moved out of the marital home, but it seems the meeting was a success and their friends and family are rooting for them to reconcile. A friend told The Sun Online, "Dan and Jacqueline are working on their problems and everyone is hoping they will be able to get through this. Every relationship goes through tough times but it seems more positive now. They seem to be getting on really well and their meeting was a sign of how close they are to reconciling."